Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepesh, Cosmetic and Plastic Surgeon. Today we did a hair transplant with the combination technique FUT and FUE. Around 4000 grafts we have applied. So patient has come from Australia and he will tell his experience about the transplant, how we did and कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई इसमें. So he is a native from India but he's doing a job in Australia now. So he came very far away from there and now he will share his experience of hair transplant. Yes sir, tell me.
Sure.
So tell me a little bit about yours.
Yes, I lived in Melbourne for a long time. Basically, I'm from India, but I lived there for a while. And I heard this hair transplantation about Dr. Deepesh from one of my close friends. And yes, from the beginning up until the completion of transplant, everything was communicated very well. And the staffs and the doctor all communicated very well and served me whatever I was looking for. And there is nothing in between. Every time I ask for help, they overwhelmingly help me. And I'm very happy. And we're looking forward to see you again for any other friends I will recommend. And yeah, thank you for everything.
Yeah, thank you sir. So whoever is wants to get their hair back and suffering with the baldness, they can come here at Rejuvena Cosmo Care Jaipur and we will try to give best results with the best number of the grafts. Contact number address is given here. You can contact us. Thank you.